Want to become an in-demand IT system engineer or cloud system administrator? Are you looking to master ICT infrastructure, system management, and cloud technologies? This is the course for you. ICT System Engineer and Cloud System Administrator on Udemy. Your ultimate guide to mastering Windows Server, Active Directory, Group Policy, Azure, Microsoft Intune, VMware, and more. Learn real-world ICT skills with step-by-step hands-on lessons. Master server administration, networking, security, and cloud computing. Gain practical knowledge to become job-ready for high-paying IT roles. No prior experience? No problem. This course starts from the basics and moves to advanced topics. Who is this course for? Aspiring ICT professionals, system administrators and engineers, network administrators. Anyone looking to switch to a career in cloud and IT infrastructure. With expert-led instruction, hands-on labs, and real-world scenarios, this course prepares you for a successful IT career.
Don't wait!
Start your journey today. Enroll now and take your IT career to the next level. Limited time offer. The first 20 students to like this video and message us on Facebook will get a free coupon for the course. Don't miss out. Send us a message now. Enroll today and start your IT career. Click the link below. Hurry! Only 20 free spots available. Message us and claim your free access now.